Okay, the unboxing of Insta360 Ultra Go. This is the creator bundle. Okay, the box I already peel off because I think it's actually by strong double-sided masking tape. So let's open the box. Okay, this is the mini tripod, 2-in-1. This is the Insta360 Go Ultra. This is the quick release mount. This is the pivot stand. Box. So that's the creator bundle. Let's open up the box. Quick start guide, safety guidelines. What's in the box? Just a minute. So this is the lanyard. I think this is the clip-on one. Inside is all the main things. Okay. Okay, this is the whole thing. I have to get our box already. So this one is the lanyard. This is the one you hang around the neck where you can magnetize. This is the Ultra in the casing. This one you can clip it. Yep, that's it.